Okay, so I'm just waiting for fireworks to come off. Well, to go off. I'm with my dog. There he is. I actually in the house, he doesn't like fireworks, like barks at fireworks when he's out. He's fine. I bring him every year, so we have some going off, but it's not quite midnight yet. It's like 2 minutes to. I still have a barking cough. I'm still full of a cold, but 2022 is nearly over. Thank the angel. I don't know if you can hear the fireworks or not in the distance. But yeah, the sun's going off already. They've been going off since about 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock this afternoon, everyone. Just waiting for a couple more to come around. No, to come off. I've not even been drinking and I'm getting the words tangled up. I'm tired and I'm still ill. The moon in the background. That was pretty. Is that midnight? Yeah, so that's midnight. So I'll say, gonna say Happy New Year. Down there. Now, if he was in the house now, he'd be backing off. But he's dead. He's calm. When he's out watching fireworks. It's weird. Yeah, he doesn't like that one. So I'll wait till that one stops and we'll make our way back. Alright, boy. Come on. Yeah, he doesn't like that one. It's alright. Come here, boy. It's alright, he's fine. He didn't like that one, but that one was a little bit. Okay. Yeah, but go back now. Yeah, that one did spook him. Okay. Oh, bless him. That one did spook him. But yeah. Okay, we'll go back now, lad. Oh, bless him. He didn't like that one then. That one was a little bit closer than even I thought. Because normally he's alright. But yeah, anyway, for now, I will say Happy New Year and I will see you in 2023 and I hope 2023 is good for you. Bye!